wow, the mass airflow sensor in your car is really a very delicate sensor. It is important that you know how to maintain this delicate sensor, and I will show you right now. It makes use of two fine wires that's been heated up by the engine or from the ECU, and this fine heated wires actually measures the amount of air that flows through into your air intake, and that accounts for how efficient your car is taking in the fuel, as in like the fuel consumption of the sensor. And I will show you right now with the WD-40 contact cleaner, and I will show you how you can clean this sensor with the WD-40 contact cleaner. It's a very simple and very safe procedure, and you should be able to clean this sensor immediately after watching this video, almost like instantly. Very easy. So keep watching. Several advantages of cleaning the MAF sensor: reduce engine pain, increases your mileage, and prevent it from burning out too much fuel due to poor fuel consumption. In fact, there is no reason not to clean this MAF sensor, because it actually does help maintain your efficiency of your car. So let's find out how we can do this very easily with just a screwdriver or some basic tools, and removing the sensors for clean. And where is these sensors? Usually it is found in where your intake comes into. This is my air intake. As you can see, it has some slightly different setup. Your car may look different from what you're seeing here, but basically locate the air filter and locate this one really interesting sensor that it looks like a piece of a squarish block with cables coming in. This is where the airflow is being measured by the ECU of the car, and this goes into your air intake. Because this is a turbocharged car, it doesn't go straight into the manifold of the engine. It goes into the turbo, and then from the turbocharger it goes into this intercooler, get the air cool down, and then charges into the engine. But of course, if your car is not a turbocharged car, then you will not see this turbo and this intercooler. The air intake will simply just go into your engine just directly, and it is very easy to identify. So let's go ahead and remove this sensor, have it cleaned up. On my car setup, it only requires 2 screws. are some controversial statements by some car owners, think that you shouldn't be using like brands like K&M air filter because it requires oiling of the air filters, and as such the oil may get ingested through the air intake and mess up the two wires, the MAF sensor. In the process that it contaminates the wire and hence gives you a false reading of the ECU and maybe it gives you a bad fuel economy or some poor idling issue. I don't think this is going to be a very big issue, otherwise you will probably have millions of cars or if not thousands of cars having problem with idling and driving condition, because what some owners did improper process of cleaning their K&N air filter or filters that requires oiling is because they have put too much oil onto the filter and driving where you have a hard acceleration and air is being drawn in hard. Some of the oil actually dislodge and contaminates your sensor. But if you have done your cleaning and oiling procedure right according to the manufacturer's suggestion, you shouldn't be having a problem. But anyway, do leave your comments if you have such issues with using the oil air filter elements, and let us know. Let us know what have you done and what you should not recommend. And if you have success story about that, do leave your comments here in this video below. And there is basically nothing happens if you clean this sensor. However, you should be noting that cleaning this sensor doesn't mean that it improves your car's performance dramatically. Somehow this is not true, and in fact you should not even be able to tell if a car has a clean MAF airflow sensor or a dirty one. Of course, if you have a very dirty one and it's giving you problem with idling, pinging and poor fuel consumption, give it a try and clean it up. Perhaps it will help. But if you have already maintained your car very well and the car is good, running in good condition, cleaning this sensor doesn't improve a lot, but it helps to maintain the lifespan and the overall general performance of the car. And so hope you guys like this video that I share, and hope that you subscribe to my channel if you have not done so, and give my video a thumbs up if you like this video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you again next time very soon. Bye.